Hey there! So if you're watching this, you have already connected your accounts, set up your workspace, and generated some cool creatives. Now we're gonna generate a campaign. Plai allows you to generate your campaign from scratch with AI, without needing to be an expert, or to build it manually if you want more control. So let's get into it. In the Advertise tab, you'll find all of your campaign launchers, as well as all of the reporting from your connected accounts, even if you haven't launched a campaign yet. Now remember, on the previous video, we generated all of our creatives in the Creative Hub, and we showed you that you can easily launch from here as well. Now we're gonna see how this works on the Advertise tab. First, tap on Create Ad. This will show you all the different campaign goals and objectives. You can go for leads, which allows you to do instant lead forms in Meta, phone calls, or lead messages as goals, which basically means how do you want to see results. Do you want to receive inquiries on your Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp accounts? Do you want to contact prospects by messages, by them phoning you, or receive their information to later on contact them? Or if you have a site set up with a lead form or with an e-commerce, you can also do product catalog, conversions, sales, or traffic. Remember that if you're in a special ads category like housing, financial products, or employment, you need to turn on this area and select the country that you will be advertising in. I'm gonna turn it off for now and simply tap on Create Campaign. On the campaign launching screen, you'll find first the option to select the product or service that you want to advertise. In this case, we'll select the same strawberry milk collagen product. And you can quickly generate creatives with the same image and video generators from the Creative Hub, or select your previously generated ones. You'll be able to filter all your images by the generator used with the column on the left. In this case, we'll use the product shot images. And you can add to it images or videos which might be on your Instagram or Facebook accounts. You'll be able to switch between images or videos from the top. Let's close this area for now and tap on Generate. You'll be able to preview all of your creatives, add more, or remove or edit them from the right section. On the left, you'll find all the generated primary text and headlines, as well as the targeting. You can tap on the different areas to customize them, like if you want to use a retargeting or lookalike audience, or simply set your location. You can select multiple states or cities, or even target a specific radius. Tap on Save to continue. Below the targeting area, you'll find the destination. In this case, the website. But if you're doing lead ads or message ads, you'll find the message or lead form in here. If at this point you want to change the destination to a phone number, a lead form, or anything else, you can simply tap on the goal on the top and select a new one. Tap on Save, and it will be modified on the campaign generation area. Now we can select any previously generated form or even create a new one from scratch. Now let's set up our budget. You'll be able to set it over here to whatever you want, and it will give you some forecasted results based on meta information right below it. You can ask the AI for recommendations, or even watch our tutorial to budget like professional media buyers do. Once your campaign is ready, you can launch it from here or tap on the arrow to the right to draft it. You'll find the drafted campaign within this Drafts in Progress area, and you can hover over it to keep editing it. And that's all for this tutorial, but remember you should start simple. Choose a well-positioned and profitable product or service, and add multiple creative options with different marketing angles. That's how you set the groundwork for a successful campaign.